Hello everyone! Welcome back to another keyboard video where I'll be building the Akko SPR67. But before we do that, it would be appreciated if you hit the subscribe button, and if anyone is interested, I have a build commission service for custom keyboards and PCs that is open and available to anyone, so feel free to DM me. Now a couple highlights into what the board offers, which you'll see throughout the build, is multiple plate options, a hot swap PCB, included plate mount stabilizers, adjustable spring weights for the mounting system, and an all aluminum chassis with a gold outer accent and weight. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so now I just wanted to quickly touch on the difference between flex and bounce, as I see a lot of people kind of mix up the two in my opinion. The bounce is when the whole PCB assembly or most of it, physically moves up, down, or even laterally if a particular design allows for it. Now flex, on the other hand, is when localized spots or areas on the PCB assembly move up and down in just that small section. An easy way to kind of remember this is not all bouncy boards are flexible, but flexible boards can be inherently bouncy due to the nature of the design. With the Akko SPR67, it boasts lots of bounce due to its spring tray mount-esque system and has lots of flex cuts along the plate and PCB, as you saw earlier in the video, which allows for lots of localized flex around the board. So if you're someone who's really into this kind of typing feel, or if you're totally new to the concept and just want to try it out, I would say this board accomplishes that at a solid price point given the amount of customization you have. Now to finish off this video, you can listen to my sound tests with different plate and foam configurations, and at the end there will be a sound comparison between each one so you can closely hear the differences. And a quick note for context, when it says all foam in the sound test, that just means plate plus case foam. That's not including the PE foam, because PE foam tends to just normalize the sound signature on a board, so one PE foam board won't really sound different from another, so I didn't really include it in my configurations.